and the Pussycat by Edward Lees. The owl and the pussycat went out to sea in a beautiful pea green boat. They took some money and plenty of honey wrapped up in a 5-pound note. The owl looked up to the stars above and sang a small guitar. Oh, pussy, my love, what a beautiful pussy you are, you are, you are. What a beautiful pussy you are. Pussy said to the owl, you elegant fowl, how charming and sweet you sing. Oh, let us be married too long and we tarry, but what shall we do for a ring? They sailed away for a year and a day where the land where the palm trees grow. They ate in the wood a piggy stood with a ring at the end of his nose. His nose, with a ring at the end of his nose. Dear pig, are you willing to sell for 1 shilling your ring? Said the piggy, I will. So they took it away and they married next day, where the circle lives in the hill. They dined on mince and slices of quail, where the Indian and the world. They hand in hand in the edge of the sun. They danced by the light of the moon. The moon. They danced by the light of the moon.